In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Canon imageCLASS MF3010 to a Windows computer. Let's get started. First, make sure that your printer is plugged in and powered on. Be sure not to plug in the USB cable until you're instructed to do so later in this process. Go to the Canon website by visiting usa.canon.com/support. Search for your printer model and look for the available driver and software downloads. Verify that your operating system is detected. Then select and download the most up-to-date printer driver and the Toolbox software. Once the software has been downloaded, it will need to be installed. Start by installing the printer driver. Double-click the downloaded file to get started. When the setup window appears, click Next. The license agreement window will appear. Read the terms, and if you agree, click Yes to continue with the installation. The drivers will be installed. This may take a few minutes. Now you'll need to connect your printer to your computer with a USB cable. After the USB cable is connected, click Exit to complete the installation. Please read the terms of the Canon Extended Survey Program and then click Accept or Do Not Accept. If you'd like to install this optional software, click Accept. If not, click Do Not Accept. The printer drivers will be installed regardless of your choice. If you choose Accept, you'll be notified that the Extended Survey Program installation is complete. Click OK to continue. Now we'll install the Toolbox software we already downloaded so that you'll be able to scan. Double-click the downloaded file to get started. When the setup window appears, click Next. The license agreement window will appear. Read the terms, then click Yes to continue with the installation. Verify that the destination folder location is correct, then click Next. When the Select Program folder screen appears, click Next. Click Start to begin the installation. The software will now be installed. When the installation is complete, click Exit. Congratulations! This completes the setup of your MF3010 to a Windows computer. You're now ready to print and scan. Please see our other videos for additional assistance with functions of your MF3010, such as how to scan and how to copy. Thank you for watching!